You can use it, develop, create little games, apps. This is all in the blockchain, tamper-proof. They cannot be hacked. You log in with your ID.ai. If you go to ID.ai, get yourself an internet identity. You no longer ever have to input passwords, remember passwords, track passwords, store passwords, write passwords down. I mean, you're going to have to until you get used to this system. But this is the future. This is where the world is going for the Internet 2.0. This is the next generation of internet, the real next revolutionary internet technology, the world computer. Go check it out. Go check out jackbear.ai. Here is, you learn everything about the world computer, about Web3, about what we just did. Learn about all those different concepts and ideas and how it's going to change and revolutionize the way that we think, the way that we work, and the way that we keep data and information safe. But also we get to own our own data. It's decentralized cloud. It's a private cloud for yourself when you deploy it through Caffeine.ai, whether it's your own website that you want to keep your files, or website for your business, keep your personal information or data. You're still going to have computers that have files on them, but eventually you'll be able to take all those files, drop them into your private cloud. Right now you'd have to hire someone to do it like me, to develop a private cloud for you so that you can put all your files into one place. But right now the technology is good enough to run amazing apps, software, and websites, but data storage is still very limited, even though it's cheaper than Google Cloud, iCloud, things like that. It just isn't optimized for that yet, and it takes some time, and more memory will become more and more available. So you still need the cloud for your images and your photos and your videos. You still need the cloud for everything that you use today. You still need the cloud for your laptops and your phones to synchronize, to access your information anywhere in the world. You still need it right now. But the point is that this new way of owning your cloud, owning your data, owning your digital identity is moving, and it's scaling. This is just the beginning. This is just an insight, a look at what's happening in real time, how it's scaling in real time, what you can build in real time and deploy and own, and basically taking control without having to ever worry about your passwords being stolen, because you never have to manually put them in, worry about phishing scams or email spam or text spam that ask you to do things that you get tricked into doing, to put in your passwords, and then things go missing. So we're talking about a 10 trillion a year cybercrime industry. The whole entire world is moving their digital assets and tokens. The banks are moving all their digital assets and tokens to the internet, onto what they call the blockchain, which there are blockchains. Blockchain is basically just a record-keeping ledger of proof of transactions, but they're all built on the old system, the old internet, the old iCloud, the old Amazon Web Services, Microsoft, Apple, Facebook, Google. That's the old system. The world computer is the new system. It's the new system moving forward. More and more companies are going to adopt to it. It's holding accountable the technology and companies that hold and store our information. It's holding them accountable because it's an all-in-one solution that takes care of all the internet problems that we ever had. It never has to go down for maintenance or disconnect for repair or patching. You never have to wait to access your money or information because it updates in real time. As you can see here, on these games and apps, the internet writes itself. You just have a conversation with it. You go back and forth. You get what you need. And if you have any more questions, go check out my YouTube channel at Justin Jack Bear, Wealth Frequency. This is another episode of Coffee Break AI. If you found this tutorial useful, if you enjoy my content, if you learned something new today, I appreciate the subscribe. All the comments, likes, and shares helps my channel to grow. And until the next video, stay groovy.